here are blow-ups of your sheet. Okay, what I have here are some blow-ups of your sheet. Alright? And when it goes through, it kind of organizes and gives you some ideas, but it says, find the number of sides and degrees contained by each of the following figures. So a triangle has 3 sides, and the number of degrees in a triangle is 180. I told you that that interior sum of a triangle would come and be very important to us. Then there's pentagons, hexagons, and other polygons. Okay, so we're going to make connections between these. Now there is a way to do this without the protractor, and maybe some of you can figure that out. But otherwise, I blew these up so that you could use the protractor and measure them. And I would kind of assign pairs in the groups to do one sheet at a time and then share the answers on your own sheet. So please don't write on this. Okay, are there any questions of what we're going to do? So there is a way to do this without these sheets. See if you can figure it out. But if you can't, as a backup, there's always the ability to use the protractor to measure. Questions? Alright, so our goal is to find the interior angle sum pattern within these shapes. So you're looking to find the interior sum pattern. Yep. So sum, Maria just made a great point. For clarification, she said we're going to measure each angle and add it up. That's one way to do it, yes. Alright, now, first thing I said was please don't write on this. What did you do?
Sorry.
So let's use this idea right here. Does anyone have an idea how I could do this without measurement? Alright, so if that helps us with that first one, how many degrees is in the first representation? Yeah, all that up. So it's 360.
I'm about to go to work. Listen to me. I like to be recorded.
We got I don't know.
What's 90 plus 90? 90 plus 90. 90 and 4.
Smart.
Okay, so the first one is easy. It's not, oh my, I'll go. How many degrees is the sum? That's the sum of the first one. What's the sum of the first one?
I don't know.
These two are 120.
Oh, you might have.
Right now, Raj is going through and he's measuring the angle.
These two are the same.
360. The question is, does that work?
These two are the same. These two are 120. And these two
We don't really get to
are 60.
Because that's kind of the
Because
basis.
these two equal 180, so you gotta put
Okay,
them
then
together.
exclude the numbers on your paper. I just say every Monday you have to Monday. But you don't didn't go to school yesterday. And you don't go to school on Mondays, and you don't go to school on
त्यस्तो गर्नै पर्छ एकजना पेचार पनि त्यति अनुहार उस्तो भएर
It's not 120. It's 120.
It's a Girl Scout. But I can't eat that right now. So what is Andy doing? Measuring.
I said you bought the syrup. You bought
What? The angle measurement. How might this help Andy accomplishing his goal? Finding out the interior angle sum.
una bola cabrón, una
Okay, now, what do you think? I hope that 100, 180, 80, 360. What do you think I hope 120, 120, 16, 60 is? And then we have these really random sums. What do I really hope those at? So how could I use the protractor and this sheet of shapes to figure it out? That's right. And then do what with those answers?
Let's see if he's right.
Help you guys help me. And you might want to split up the work. Okay. Yes, ma'am.
I know you told us not to go over there. And he showed me. I don't know if he's right.
You don't know if he's right.
Sometimes I think he's lying.
Okay, so he gave you a formula.
He told me something, but I forgot.
I'm going to see it.
And it's right here. And he said,
Alright, so your statement was, I'm not sure that he's right. How could you prove it? That he is right. You gotta do it. Okay. So, but that was only the one really nice one, wasn't it? That was the regular hexagon. So now we got another one of the funky ones. And what I would suggest is let these two gentlemen go with the quadrilaterals, and you guys do the hexagon.
Yeah, because they're easy.
No, because she already started her hexagon, so I thought you guys could work with the quadrilaterals or the pentagons and figure out the measures. How you guys doing?
No good. You trying to
No good. Why? Why? You measured, just like in TED. You did. What'd you get? Where? Show me. There's only 4 numbers you told me, and there's 6 angles.
Hold on. 75.
All right, write it in there. Okay, write it in there. Show me. Yeah, write it out.
182, 182. I know.
Ini karena apa saya? Pasti sering kan saya.
How did you show me? How does it show me?
Okay, hold on.
Looking careful. Okay, I like it. All right, so write 75 in there. Right there. All right. Okay. Then what? Don't you think you wanna maybe move it to
wait. I don't get this.
there? All right. How big is that one? Roughly. It's 180.
180, yeah.
So this is 180. This is 180.
145.
145. Okay. So we're getting somewhere. And then what?
And this one is 145.
Are you sure?
Ya no le conozco yo.
This one is 145.
All right.
145.
Uh-huh. Okay. And then what are you gonna do with those 6 numbers?
I don't know.
All right. Add them up. What happens?
Kelas kata mana?
145.
480.
Plus
175. Into 2 karena
Lama.
that much.
43575.
Why are you multiplying them?
Oh.
Divide karena.
Guys, I don't know, but I would probably make sure I knew what he was talking about, so I might do it myself. All right, write it down. I think we're a little off, and I'm going to tell you because we estimated this so much. So, why don't you look here? See about that hexagon. Okay? So you can do it now, because we have to save a little bit of time here. I would let these 2 work on all those hexagons, and I would probably go with you 2 figuring out the pentagons and the quadrilaterals. Right? Okay, now.
I saw that.
Those girls, but then underneath that, she was talking about.
And then we'll go for the regular 75.
What's the next one?
I'm telling you, that's one.
Get out that protractor.
No, it's not. No, look, that's what it is. Right here.
How big is it? It's a little off. Comes up. It'll be 110. All right, go with 110.
I'm right. Put money at it. These 2 are up too. You see?
Okay, so
Bam, that's 90 degrees. And it goes past 90 degrees. 150. Wow.
So you go this way and they
No, see now this. Yes, you see how it's like right there. That's a cute angle.
here's how much. All right, right in there. Now,
Yo, that's loud.
saying that,